Hello and welcome to our course on IFRS 18. Get ready to master IFRS 18 and be prepared for its application from 1st of January 2027. This course is going to guide you through new requirements of IFRS 18, their impact on financial reporting, and practical steps to implement the standard confidently. We are going to look at new changes and requirements of IFRS 18, 5-category income statement structure, special rules for specified main business activities, management-defined performance measures, operating expenses aggregation and disclosure requirements, practical roadmap of transition and implementation, and as a bonus lecture we will have a look at the requirements that are unchanged and transferred from IAS 1 to IFRS 18. We will have in total 6 lessons plus 1 bonus lesson. During each lesson you will get reading materials plus video lectures and questions and quizzes. In the end, you will have exams to test your knowledge and to see where you are standing and how far you came. After this course, you will be ready and know how exactly IFRS 18 applies in practice and turn challenges into opportunities. Looking forward to join your journey to master financial reporting.